Yo, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. Today is a real cool day, man. I'm excited. I'm getting my Classic 1 that I won on a bid online. So basically, this is what happened. It was cool, man. I found this site. I started bidding on some welders. I didn't get the welders I wanted, but I did get a welder I wanted, and I'm very happy. So basically, the bid started off about $1,200, and I ended up winning the bid in the end for about $2,500. And then I had to pay the state tax fees, which was about $500. So I'm up to about 3,500 or 33 grand up on it. And then I just got it hot shotted here for a grand from Carson City, Nevada to Kingsburg, Colorado. And so yeah, I'm super excited. Got the Wife's King Ranch Lariat out here, and I'm going to go ahead and load it up in the back and take it home, park it in the garage for right now. But that's going to be the next machine coming out there to my workshop. Ooh, I'm excited, my first gas machine, yeah. It is what it is. So I paid $180 for the people who got me, the transportation people, and then I owe these people here $825 when they arrive here. I'm going to just give them cash. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm happy. I'm stoked. I'll show you it when it pulls up, and then when I get it loaded, and then yeah, and then we're going to be testing it out soon up there in Brush to see how she welds, make sure she welds, because honestly this is the first machine I've ever bought without knowing if it welded, so I'm hoping it welds. Actually, before I get it up and out there, I'll probably fire it up at home and see if it strikes an arc and see if it can stack some beads. Yeah, so I'm excited about it. I'm excited. Yeah, the first gas machine. So anyways, it is what it is. I'll show you what it's about. Wrap to you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. So here's what I owe. Yeah, about it's not much, $825. Definitely gotta buy a new hood. Let me count it for you. $825. So I'm super excited. There she is in the back of the truck. My first gas machine, my Classic 1. I'm excited, guys. So basically, if this one welds better than my other 3 machines, I'm gonna start welding with it. I think I got a remote for it too, honestly. We'll have to see. I'm excited, stoked. This is gonna be awesome. Yes, my first gas machine.